Hello friends, welcome to Shahi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to shoot something healthy, and this is moong sprouts, green moong sprouts. There's a video you can see how to prepare sprouts at home. These are chana or black chana sprouts, peanuts. We will going to roast peanuts, chickpea flour or besan, chaat masala. You can also take mango powder if you don't have chaat masala. Little bit of garam masala, red chili powder according to taste we will add. Again salt according to taste, ginger garlic paste and a dash of lemon juice. This is chopped onion, green chilies according to taste, and lots of coriander and oil for shallow frying. So let us roast peanuts. Many of you must be doing gymming and you must be doing other health activities, and eating sprouts daily in the same way must be boring for you. So here's very interesting cutlets or tikkia for you. These are sprouts, green sprouts, chana, coriander leaves, green chilies, and we will going to grind them together, and after that we will mix rest of the things. We have to roast them just for 2 minutes. We will ground it coarsely and then mix peanuts and again grind it. So let us start grinding. Very little amount of water is needed to grind it. See, this is moong dal, and now we will add peanuts to it. Don't add too much of water. Now this is coarsely ground sprouts. We have to add onion according to your taste. I love lots of onions, so I'm adding 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions. This is ginger garlic paste, chaat masala powder, once again according to your taste, garam masala powder, half a teaspoon, red chili powder again according to your taste, salt also according to your taste. This is chickpea flour or besan for binding, about 4 teaspoons of it. Lots of coriander, and finally lemon juice, and mix them properly. You can use your hands. Full of protein, minerals, very healthy tikkia. Take a non-stick pan or griller and carefully place your tikkia and fry them till crispy from both the sides. Adjust your flame in between and carefully turn them. Yes, they are almost ready. Take them out on a tissue paper. So friends, here my multi-sprout tikkis are ready. Full of protein, very tasty. And you can have them without guilt because they are fried in very little amount of oil. Do subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to like and comment whether you prepared it or not. How was the recipe? Do share your comments with me, and like always, enjoy your cooking. Have a nice time.